In this video, I give you a very short overview of the demos that we have built. This whole series of videos is built for IT operations professionals, people that are responsible and held accountable for delivering enterprise IT services to their organizations under strict SLAs. It is you that will benefit the most from cloud computing, and it is also you who are at the receiving end of pressure when executives say things, for example, like, we are moving 100% to the cloud. What does that mean? That is the type of question this series of videos is meant to answer. When you see the videos, you will see what we're talking about is cloud computing in the data center without any restrictions using existing systems, which allows you to save massive amounts of money while at the same time allowing you to innovate with the power of cloud computing. And so the future of cloud computing is hybrid. And it's very interesting to note that IDC in their Cloud Pulse for Q1 2019 submitted on June 2019, where they polled 2,211 companies, found that 85% who had gone completely to the public cloud will repatriate workloads back to the data center as on-premises private clouds. 49% of workloads will come back to the data center. And that is the future of cloud computing. And so that's what these videos talk about, to give you confidence and demonstrate to you that one can do full cloud computing in the data center. So there are 4 videos. The first one is a demo of self-service on-demand provisioning of a VM in an on-premises cloud. Very simple. Here you have a software developer, or it could be a data scientist requesting a VM to do an AI workload, for example, and it just shows the flow between making the request and having that VM up and running in 2 minutes. The next video, called An Idea to Manage Cloud Cost Using an On-Premises Cloud, gives you a very practical overview how this on-premises cloud simplifies the work that you have to do from an IT operations perspective and introduces you to the concept of projects, which is an excellent way of getting a hold of how you deploy resources and how you can make your environment very predictable and cost effective. Video number 3, you can do cloud computing on premises, is all about showing you that cloud computing is not a place, that cloud computing is about software defining your hardware in order to present all those resources as services that allow for very tight governance. It allows you to segregate your hardware in interesting ways. For example, having mission critical environments separated from non-mission critical environments. It shows you the automated ways that this cloud has for managing imbalances between workloads and memory, and how all that gets balanced automatically through a technology called the Dynamic Resource Optimizer. It is a very good example, a very conclusive example that cloud computing can happen in your premises. And the final video, Governance, Management, Policy Enforcement, and Security, is a very critical topic for any IT operations professional. And this one shows you role-based access control. Every one of these videos has been built based on meetings with your peers. All this knowledge comes from feedback that customers have given us, and it also comes from working with your peers on a daily basis and understanding their challenges, which drives these demos as answers to solving those challenges. I hope you enjoy this series. Thank you very much.